Hey, this is Nate. Just wanted to put this short video together, kind of give you a few tips and tricks on your website. Scrolling down through here, the overall layout that you have on this website looks great. You are a little bit short on content as far as what we would recommend. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,500 words on this homepage and about 500 to 750 on those back service pages. You want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your site. So it's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is the easiest and fastest way for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site's relevant to what people are looking for. So I did put you into one of the SEO tools that we have. Your title tag and your H1 tag are super important to Google. It's one of the first things they're going to look at. So with your title tag, you've got roof cleaning, soft washing in Houston, and then drip and shine your company name. I would change this around. I would do probably Houston pressure washing dash soft washing dash company name. Get a couple of keywords in there. Maybe Houston pressure washing dash roof cleaning dash drip and shine. Something like that to get those keywords in there. But you want to let Google know where you are and what you do. You've got up to 70 characters. So down here for your H1 tag, you do not currently have an H1 tag set up. Generally, one of these first things that you have up here are your H1 tag. Sometimes it's like this first heading here, but I would put it up here in the top, and I would just do something very simple. Houston pressure washing. Put the other stuff underneath that, but make that H1 tag short and sweet and to the point. Let them know where you are and what you do. You want to build that clear path of communication with Google. So looking here, I did throw you into one of the other tools that we use, and you are starting to show up for some of the roof cleaning keywords, which is great. You're still pretty far down on the list, but the fact that Google is starting to find those is good. So, keep doing what you're doing. These will slowly move up. Like I said, it's definitely something we can help you with. But just to give you some examples, Houston pressure washing. These blue lines right here, this is the title tag for all of these websites. Right below that is the meta description, which I didn't really talk about, but it's right here. That's your current meta description. You've got up to 320 characters. Use them. Get some of those keywords in there. If you do not tell Google what you want this to say, Google will pick something, just pull some content off your site and make one. But look in here, these bolded words, Google does that. They were not written that way within the meta description. Google does that to show me these sites are talking about stuff relevant to what I searched. On the title tag, if you look at these, pressure washing Houston, pressure washing Houston, pressure washers Houston, Houston pressure washing, Houston pressure washing. 9 out of 10 of these sites on the homepage generally are going to say something about the service and the area in that title tag, which shows you the importance of making sure to get that right. So I hope that stuff helps you out. If you got any questions, you know how to find me. I will talk to you later.